welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another awesome video. Today we are doing a make slime with your eyes blindfolded. So yeah, let's get started. I have my blindfold and it's really cute and pink and it's a girl thing and it says it's a girl thing. So come on glue, come on activator. And I'm going to be attempting to make fluffy slime blindfolded. So, and I don't know what color it's going to be, so I'm really scared. But let's jump into this video. Okay, put my blindfold on. It's the wrong way now. Okay, I don't really feel secure. So I have my bowl right here. And then my glue, which I'm just going to pour into my bowl. Where's my bowl? Where's my bowl? Where's my glue? Okay, this is so scary. Like, oh. Okay. Hopefully there's glue in my bowl and it didn't fall. Go somewhere else. Okay, so here's how much glue I have. Oh, that actually seems like enough. Since we are adding shaving cream, y'all. So I think I'm going to add no, I don't want that one. I don't know what this is. Here we go. I'm gonna add this one. Here's the color, if you guys can see that. I don't know. I'm really scared, so yeah. Sorry because my parents are watching TV. I'm so anxious for the color. I feel like it's gonna be brown, honestly. Like, I just want to take off this blindfold because I feel really weird. Like, it's so weird. But now we're going to get our shaving. There's the shaving cream. So let's just shake up our shaving cream. Shake up our shaving cream. And is it going in the bowl, you guys? I feel like that's enough. Fluffy? No. I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, is there shaving cream in there? I don't know. Does it look fluffy? I don't know. Here we go. Let's mix. See if it's gonna be a fluffy slime. I want it to be super fluffy. I don't even know what this is going in my bowl. I'm just so scared right now. I'm so insecure. Okay, so now I need to find my activator, but I'm so scared for this. Oh no. Oh, how much I put in? Oh my goodness. I think I overactivated it. Well, let's just keep mixing, and mixing always solves your problems, right? I overactivated it. No. It's so tiny. But I thought I made it fluffy. Ew, it's overactivated, you guys. It's not very good, but let's just keep kneading. And then later we can find some lotion and maybe make it stretchier. And it doesn't feel very fluffy, so we'll fix that in a second. So where is the lotion? First, I think we're going to grab the insides. And it's really, and like, how does the slime look, guys? I don't know, because I can't see, you guys. Like, I have a feeling that this is brown, and I'm so scared to open my eyes, because, like, I don't want my slime to be brown, like, but now let's look for the lotion, find the lotion, and we gotta take some out. Wait, which way do you do it? Okay. Here we go. Oh, is any coming out? Yes. Oh, there we go. There we go. Here's my lotion. I put on my hand so then I knew that it was coming out. So, yeah. Let's just keep on kneading it. Maybe it will get a bit stretchier because, like, we don't want a non-stretchy slime. This is really not coming together, and like it's not working, and I just don't like this. Oh, Okay, I'm sorry about the background noise. My parents are watching something really scary, okay? And it's like so scary that I feel so scared, but it's not coming together. I just added lotion, like it won't come together. I've been needing this, like, and I can't pause. So I'm sorry, you guys, that this video is gonna be long. So let's just keep on kneading. Okay, I think it's not coming together, so I'm gonna open my eyes. Oh my goodness. It's blue! I totally thought it was brown. Oh, you guys, I'm so bad at this. I did terrible because look at this. Is this slime? No. I think I just felt so insecure. I had to open my eyeballs because and I can't pause on you guys. I have to keep on kneading this because it feels really over borax, not stretchy at all. I don't like it. Okay, so this was a fail slime because it will not come together. I just added lotion and it will not come together. I paused the video and it won't come together, you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace, bye, love ya.